Hey, what's going on?
Suspect's license plate 89er boy Edward Union 520.
What did you think was gonna happen?
Attention all units, we've got a possible 148 in West Vinewood. Shots fired. All units respond. Code 99 emergency.
Dispatch, we have the suspect in sight. This is Eagle 1. He's headed south. Los Santos PD, cut off your engine. Copy that. On the way.
Shoot the engine!
Dispatch, we got eyes on the perp. Dispatch, we got eyes. We're in pursuit.
Last warning, pull over! Attention all units, officer requesting backup near, Vinewood Hills, respond code 3.
I'm right here, dispatch. I'll check it out. Dispatch, we got a visual on the perp. In pursuit. Dispatch, we have the suspect in sight.
LSPD, stop the fucking car! We will shoot out your tires! Police, pull the fuck over! LSPD, we will open fire! Last warning, pull over!
Oh, hell!
Someone shoot the tires out!
Copy, this is Adam 6, on our way. Dispatch, we have the suspect in sight.
You're not getting away that easy! Police! You're only making it
Dispatch, we have a visual.
LSPD, stop the fucking car!
Everyone,
suspect is walking. We need backup! Stat! Mike, Oscar, Sam, requesting backup!